Hi,
Yes.
Pratiksha.
Hi, hello everyone, and a greeting to you and a happy Navratra to everyone. And it's really, so excited to share my experience related to Money Miracle and a proxy chanting. And my angel, really, Khushali ma'am, where I joined a year back for my courses with Anjali ma'am. And one day I came to know that there is a proxy chanting related to Money Miracle. And I heard about it, but then I was not experienced to it. And the best part about that was that you are having a very good fee towards to it, very affordable fee. So I thought, let me go for it, and very positively. I knew I had to be positive. I knew one day this will happen, something, some miracle will happen, and this was through this. And when I joined for this, and within a week, really within a week, I was suffering from the last couple of years, a lot of blockages in my Money Miracle for myself. I was not getting a right client for myself, for my service, whatever I do, not the right energy, not my fee for what I really deserve. And then finally, in a week time, one of my aunt and one of my sister-in-law sends a money in my account, and really I find, how come this money and for what? And this was a gift check for me which they were planning from a long time. And I was like, wow. And seriously, and best part, I really, when I joined this Money Miracle, I didn't even thought of anything else, only one thing: believe and join and leave it on a god, to the universe. So this was one great miracle. And that time also, that helped me also, that money helped me also in one of my courses and one of my own personal thing. And suddenly there were again repeated few clients who called me. I never expected those clients are going to call me, and who used to think to pay me for my energy or for my fee, because I'm into beauty, I'm into occult. They didn't even thought for a minute. They asked me for my service, and they took that service, and I got a good amount of money what I really deserve. And I was like amazed for this. So this kept on, and this is still going on, thank you god. And recently I'm very much social, so I'm very much connected with some NGOs like Goonj and Blind School, and as bit little I can do it. And everything is done to these people with the money, whether it's for me, whether it's for anybody. So I needed some support. So I suddenly I got such support when I was purchasing some item for these Blind School. There were some people, they asked me what you use, what you they suddenly came to know I'm just supporting for these people. And they suddenly said, we also want to contribute in this. So I thought again that money is a money miracle for me, and that's not only helping me but helping so many people. And then recently, the third thing which just happened the last week, my cousin from abroad, he called me. He saw few my status that for these NGOs and for man, he said, I'll send some pounds, and please do help these people in whatever. So again, that Money Miracle was a help to me, and a lot of tidbits. And I requested, ma'am, can I really continue with this? If you're not continuing with this, please continue. This is really helping a lot, with lot of belief, and I will continue this. And thank you to God and giving me such an angel, ma'am, for my as a teacher and as for a mentor. Thank you, everyone. And I believe really works. This really works. Thank you God.
Thanks so much, Pratiksha, for coming on and sharing that. It's amazing for it to, I mean, it started and then just kept going on, and it's still going on for you.
And
others are benefiting because of it also. That's beautiful.
Yeah, and Neelu, the best part was she was facing lot of financial blockages. The thinking pattern was totally different. So basically, it has bring a different shift, and she started getting different opportunities.
Seriously. And I joined a number of courses, and recently I even joined for this switch words also. And I have a plan for more courses with ma'am for switch words. And if I can help myself, I really want to help others also. Why not? And this is a very easy and helpful modality to learn also. I feel that way. This is
Thank you. Thank you so much, Pratiksha.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you, ma'am.